Welcome back to my creator lover amazing and beautiful video on your screen, and one more amazing story. Alina lived in a small snowy town. Every year she decorated her window, hoping Santa would see the glow and leave her a special wish. This year, however, things were different. Her family was going through tough time and Christmas decoration were not a priority. But Alina believed that even one decorated window could bring magic into her home. Let's begin with our first decor idea: paper snowflake window art. All you need: white craft paper, scissors, transparent tape, a little patience. Fold your paper into a triangle and start cutting small geometric shapes along the side. When you open it, there it is, a delicate snowflakes. Create multiple snowflakes in different sizes. Now gently tape them on your window. Layer big snowflakes at the top and smaller ones toward the center to create a snowflake effect. While we decorate, imagine Alina doing the same with scrap paper that found in her drawer. Each snowflake she hung felt like a wish floating in the cold winter air. Next, let a warm fairy lights window frames. You will need warm white fairy lights, hooks or adhesive clips, jute rope. Place small hooks around the window edges and gently wraps your fairy lights along the frames. From a rustic touch, toss a thin jute rope with the lights. The glow instantly transforms the window into a cozy festive frame. And just like the warm glow, Alina's window began to shine too. Even though she had so store-bought lights, she found an old strings of bulbs that still work badly, but she tied them with jute and hung them proudly. Her window started to twinkle with hope. Now on to our nature-inspired ideas: pine cone and green garland decor. You will need a few pine cones, green branches, a fox garland, ribbon, hot glue. Create a small bunches by tying pine cones and branches together with ribbon. Attach them along the top of the window, letting them hang down 6-7 inches for a nature woodland vibe. In her little home, Alina collected pine cones from outside and tied them with leftover ribbon. She did not have much, but she used what she could find, and somehow the simplicity made her window even more beautiful. One of my favorite window craft, black and white window. You will need for this black cardstock, scissor or cutting knife, white paper or tissue paper, glue tape, cut out shape like little houses, pine trees, reindeer and snowman. Stick the snow at the bottom of the window, then lay a white tissue behind them for a soft, foggy slow. At this moment, picture Alina cutting little house from an old notebook. She placed them nearly on her window, still imagining a teeny village waiting for